Hello everyone! Today we are making chocolate lava cakes. I know, right? This dessert recipe always impresses the audience and of course me. You'll be surprised at how easy these really are to make. These lava cakes are cakey on the outside with an irresistible center of warm, dark chocolate flowing through the middle. Oh my god, I'm drooling already. These molten cakes easily stand alone, but they are over the top when served with vanilla ice cream. But let me know how you guys like to enjoy your lava cakes. If you have any suggestions, feel free to share it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.